Today we're going to take another look at the woodworking drill press table that I built recently, and more specifically the dust collection system on this one. And if you haven't seen those videos, you can go back and look at how this is built. But just to review, this drawer box system underneath has a pocket underneath the insert where dust and air can flow to the back and out of an exhaust port where a shop vac is connected to. And as I've mentioned in the previous videos, this is really helpful when I have a insert plate and I'm using it for drum sanding. There's a little bit of a gap there where the dust from the sanding can escape and get sucked away. But obviously, I showed just using a blank insert plate for normal drilling operations, and that's gonna obviously not let any air flow through there, and there's not gonna be any dust collection. So we don't want this to be a one-trick pony. So I'm going to show you a few other plate designs that's going to help you use this dust collection in normal drilling operations. So a really simple design would be just to notch out the back. So if I insert that in there, it's going to allow that airflow to escape from the back. And if you remember from the other videos, we have a little pocket in the bottom of the fence and a split fence design. So when I put the fence in place, slide it back and forth, there's still that air pocket there so as you're drilling, the dust and chips can escape down out the dust collection system. A similar design would just have a plate with a hole cut out in the middle. That's going to allow me to bring the fence even closer as I'm drilling here in the center of the plate. And as you can see, I still have this area that's going to back up any drilling that I go through the piece and prevent tear out, hopefully. These type of insert plates are really easy to make. I just used a large Forstner bit to drill out the ends of the slot, and then you can remove the rest of the waste with the jigsaw. Now, if you want to take the insert plate design up another notch, you can do a kind of a slotted grate design here. And you put that in there, you're going to have a lot more airflow through the plate and out the back of the fence. Now this design was pretty easy to make. Also, I just drilled some 1/2-inch starter holes and stop holes at the end of each slot. And having this fence was really great because I could set that up and then just drill holes right in a line. They're all accurately and precisely done. And then I went over to the router table, and using a 1/2-inch straight bit, I could start at the starter hole, route the slot to the other end, then flip it over and route it all the way through. And it was really easy, accurate way to make this slotted design. As you can see, there's a lot of options here for insert plates to really up your game on the dust collection system for this particular drill press table. It's just another great feature to get the most out of your drill press.